Hi everyone, welcome to the introduction to our website and also the introduction to Rodin. So first, when you open our website called hyperhuman.demos.com, we will first see the chain avatar. It's another tool that allows people to generate 3D facial assets based on one image or like a text prompt. You can explore it by yourself, but we will then head to the focus on the Rodin that we want to promote. So Rodin is now in the public beta. If you go to the feature list, you can see all the generations that we feel it's good that were generated by our beta test users. So if you're interested, you can click on one of it. For example, this one to take a full overview of this generation. And if you feel you like it, you can also download it. It will cost you 1 credit. And you can of course generate by yourself using just the plus button. And I will test it for this one. You can choose whatever image you want. And we actually support like a PNG and JPEG format, so you can even take a photos of the object you want to do the 3D modeling. Just make sure the image only includes one object and the background is clean. Yeah, here we come. This is a draft review. And if you're not satisfied with the generation, you can just hit redo. For the business users, you will have 50 times to redo that. You can redo and redo again, and this won't charge you any credits. And I think for the free plan users, you will have 10 times. But I think usually our people will just do like like up to 5 times. Yeah, it's not this one is not good. It's upside down. Maybe I will just regenerate another version. Okay, yeah, there we go. And also we provide a history panel, so you can choose like different versions. Maybe I will just keep the first one. And here you can also see this is like a text description of this model, and also the keywords that's automatically recognized by the model. So you can also make some revisions on that. For example, click on the smooth edges or whatever other description, like add the game ready features. Yeah, and when you think this one is when you think you confirm for this geometry, just click confirm, and you can also choose the polygon counts. I will just keep the 10K. And for the hacker, this is like good for processing some scene surfaces, since this model do not have any related thing to the scene surfaces. So I will just keep it unselected, and let's hit confirm. So it will continue and ask you is symmetrical. Yes. And then you will just wait for 10 to 20 seconds to get the final color-based geometry models. Okay, here we go, and you can open the wireframe to see the topology. Yeah, and also we provide a mesh editor here. So when you open that, this is actually a quick sculpture tool. So if you feel like something is not that best suits your needs, you can just make some quick revisions there. And because I choose a symmetrical, so every time I add it on one side, it will automatically do the same revision on the other side. I will do all the revision. Let's do some revision. I think this one is good. Not some slightly okay. I just hit confirm. Okay, so you got your selected revision version. Yeah, I see. Sounds likely versions there. And if you want to keep that, you need to choose a high poly to export. And also we have different options for the different 3D formats for you to choose. And then I will just go to the material generation and then download. For the material generation, actually we can generate based on this image or based on another image. So we will just try to generate this image first. It will take you another 20 seconds to generate that. Yeah, when generating, here's some button. If you want to keep your model to be private, you can just hit this to lock your model, so your model won't be seen by others and you won't appear on the featured list on our website. And also you can hit the share button to have a quick sharing of your generation of social media or share it to your friend. Yeah, so you can see here we have the BPR views of this model and also the tonify and shaded views. So I will just try another texture as the texture. And here you can also choose the BPR temperature. That means if you increase the index, we'll have more details on the BPR. And also I will choose the reference strings to be the highest. Okay, here we go. Yeah, we have this textures based on this one. Yeah, it's a fun feature to explore. And also we have the uh, if you are confirmed for the material, you can just either confirm. And also we have the option to redo that. So you can also see the history panel to see different version and choose the one that you like and hit confirm. Okay. And then I'll be able to also download the material. So I can choose from the shaded and BPR 1K or 4K and then just hit download. And also you can actually publish it directly on the sketch file. Just hit this publish button. So, but for now I will just download that. Okay. Yeah, here we go. We have the textures and extract it. Okay, this one. Yeah, so here you can see actually you got the high poly model and also the texture for diffuse, metallic, normal, BPR, and roughness. So it will be easy for you to do any revisions on your model. Yeah, and we also provide another method to do the image that is the text input. So I will just text like a cute sofa. And it will generate some image based on your description. if you are not satisfied with this one, maybe I'll just generate again. Okay. Okay. Maybe. Okay. Keep this one and then hit confirm. Then you will just hit generate, and this will be the same process of generating based on your own uploaded image. So this will use this text input generated image as a reference to generate the 3D model. Okay, yeah, I think it's good, and then we just click confirm and go to the next steps. Yeah, and actually we have another features called we allow user to upload multiple multiple images up to 5. So for example, I can choose this two and then choose a fusion. Actually, when you upload the multi-image, will ask you, is this like the same object but with multi-view, or this is like a different object? So you want a fusion one. So for this one, I will just give the fusion, and it will generate something as a mixture of these two objects. Okay, they have some features on the robot, and I can actually make the image weight to be half and half, or even like increase a little bit on the robot weight in his redo. Okay, here we go. I think this is a good blend of these two objects. Yeah, and then you can also hit confirm the same next step. Yeah, that's all about the generation. And for our payment method of our platform, we provide basically two methods. One is buying credits directly, but it's a relatively expensive. It will cost you 1.5 USD for each credit. But we encourage people to do the subscription because it's much cheaper. You will save up to 66% if you choose a business plan, and we also provide a free trial plan for the creator. And also here you can see the different benefits of different plan version. As an influencer, or like you want to share the product with others, you can use your referral link. So other people use your link will get 50% extra credits on their first payment, and you will score 25% of their pay credits too. Yeah. And also, if you have the code code to redeem, just use here and redeem your code. Tap it here. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's all about the introduction. Feel free to ask me any questions. Thank you.